Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new Halloween Spotlight event in Dress to Impress game of Roblox Halloween update. Okay, the Halloween Spotlight event has been dropped on Roblox, and you will be able to play the Dress to Impress game to complete the Halloween Spotlight mission. You will see the button right here, guys, and let's open the quest or the mission to complete the Halloween Spotlight um, challenge. Okay, and I'm going to click on Halloween Spotlight. Okay, and these are the quests or the challenges that you need to complete. You need to play 2 rounds only using new Halloween items and beat the Lena quest. Okay, and you will get candy for the rewards, and you will also get the free item if I'm not mistaken. You can also play the Halloween quest. I mean the Halloween Spotlight challenge from the Halloween Spotlight event page on Roblox. Okay, and yeah, don't miss it, guys. And I'm still trying to complete it. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.